Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the PassFab channel. Forgot your iPhone passcode and now it says iPhone unavailable or security lockout? Right now, you probably just want one thing: get back into your device as fast as possible. But here's the truth, most videos won't clearly tell you. If you forgot the passcode, there is no way to unlock the iPhone without resetting it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and most reliable way to unlock your iPhone or iPad step by step, with no complicated setup. Before we start, quick heads up. This process will erase your device data, but if you have an iCloud or iTunes backup, you can restore everything after unlocking. Alright, let's get into it. Instead of going through complicated manual methods that often fail or require multiple steps, we're going to use PassFab iPhone Unlocker to complete the process in a much simpler way. This tool is designed for situations like forgot passcode, iPhone unavailable, too many failed attempts, Face ID or Touch ID not working. First, download and install PassFab iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Open the software and choose Unlock Lock Screen Passcode. Now connect your iPhone or iPad using a USB cable. Once your device is detected, click Start. If your device is not recognized here, this is very common. Just follow these steps to enter recovery mode manually. Quickly press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side power button. Keep holding until you see the recovery screen. After that, the software will detect your device automatically. Next, you'll need to download the firmware package. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Just wait until it completes. Once the firmware is ready, click Start Remove. Now the unlocking process will begin. Make sure your device stays connected during the entire process. Do not unplug it. After a few minutes, your device will restart automatically. The lock screen will be completely removed. You can now access your device again and set a new passcode. One more important thing. If Find My iPhone was enabled before, you'll still need your Apple ID and password during setup. This is Apple's security feature called Activation Lock. So make sure you remember your Apple ID credentials. Alright, that's the fastest way to unlock an iPhone or iPad without a passcode. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.